Hello, good morning or good evening po. Welcome to Super Live. Ito po si Doc Jess Naldo, isang veterinary doctor na nakabase sa Dubai, isa pong health advocate. Ang pag-uusapan po natin ay ang ating health. Okay po. Dito sa Super Live, we believe that your health is our first priority because your health is your wealth, di po ba? Ang napaka-importante po ng ating health. Ito po ang ating number one investment, ang ating health. Okay, you cannot enjoy wealth if you're not in good health. Paano ka nga naman magpapasyal, punta-travel, punta sa beach, kahit ba naman may pera ka, kung hindi ka healthy, di po ba? So napaka-importante ang ating health. Sabi nga dito ni Jim Rohn, take care of your body because it is the only place you have to live. If you do not take good care of your health now, the hospital will take care of your wealth later. Okay, so ito katanungan, why do people get sick? Because your cells are damaged. Ito ba? Ito po ang ating normal cell. Okay, nadadamage po ito ng mga free radicals. Okay, so pag nadamage ang ating mga cells, yung tissue natin na damage, yung organ na damage, siyempre hindi na magpa-function normally yung mga organs, kaya tayo nagkakasakit. Okay, so what can cause cells damage? Cell damage is caused by an accumulation of unwanted scavengers called free radicals in the body. Over time, these free radicals lead to oxidative stress and instability in the cell, which increases the exposure to disease. Okay, so saan galing itong mga free radicals nito? Isa-isahin natin sa mga radiation. Okay, radiation galing sa mga gadgets, sa microwave oven, sa sikat ng araw, tapos sa mga unhealthy foods, unhealthy drinks, unhealthy lifestyles, lack of sleep, lack of exercise, smoking or vaping, environmental pollution, mental disorders, okay, tulad ng stress, depression, anxiety, and so what will you do then? Iinom ka na lang ba ng mga gamot, mga vitamins, supplements, mag-take ka ng kakain ka ng maraming fruits and vegetables. So, you have to improve your health. Bakit? Because the best gift to yourself is a healthy you. So, paano ka maging healthy you? Dito pumapasok ngayon ang Super Life is TC30, which is a plant-based stem cell. Okay, this is the secret to youth, health, and longevity. Ito ang ilang mga celebrities politicians na nag-underwent ng cell therapy, pero ito yung human stem cells. Human stem cells na ginawa sa US o kaya sa Europe na nagkakahalaga ng 700,000 to 1 million per session. So mga mayayaman lang ang nakaka-afford dati ng stem cell therapy. So, anong mga sources ng stem cells? Mayroong human stem cells. Yun na nga yung ginawa ng mga celebrities na mayayaman. Mayroong animal stem cells. Saka mayroon nga yung plant stem cells. Okay? So, what is a stem cell? The stem cell is a mother cell that transforms every cell into different cell types in our body. So, imagine this is the mother cell, stem cell. So, pwede siyang maging nerve cells, maging heart cells, maging muscle cells, intestinal cells, liver cells, saka kung ano-ano pang mga cells ng ating body. Okay? Stem cell is the repair kit of our body. This is our own doctor of our entire body system. So our body has the power to heal itself. Nung baby pa tayo, we have 100% stem cell in our body. But as we age, the stem cell activity decreases. So when we are 18 years old, the stem cell activity is only about 40%. When we are 30 years old, the stem cell activity is 25%. And 60 years and above, the stem cell activity is only 5%. Okay? So, dito pumapasok yung Super Life TC30. Ano ito? This is not a capsule, not a tablet, not a drug, or not a gel. Okay? Hindi rin to supplements na katulad ng mga alam na nating supplements na available sa market. Yung mga supplements na kilala natin, lahat yon ay may nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claims. Pero ang TC30 stem cells, it is a plant-based stem cell with therapeutic claims and healing properties. Okay? So mayroon mga global certifications sa FDA, dito sa Swiss Quality Formula, mayroong 100% halal certified, 100% natural, and mayroon ding kumpleto din po ito sa mga permits sa FDA, ganyan, license to operate. So legit po itong ating Super Life STC. Okay? Ang manufacturing company ay nasa Malaysia. It started in 2017. Ang laboratory ay nasa Switzerland. Ito yung Maybell Group. Doon ginagawa yung the latest biotechnology to culture live stem cells. Okay? So, itong stem cell, STC30 is a miracle powder in a sachet. Okay, hindi po ito nga liquid or capsule or tablet. It is a powder in a sachet. So, paano ito tinitake? Sublingually, under the tongue. Ibinubudbud lang po yung powder sa ilalim ng tongue, ng dila. Okay, paano ito tinitake? Usually 1 hour before breakfast or before meals. And then you can drink water after 30 minutes. Okay? In 2 minutes, na-absorb ka agad yung powder. Okay? So, yun ang advantage ng powder na taken sublingually kasi madali siyang ma-absorb at saka direct to the cells, direct to the tissues and bloodstream. Okay, so meron siyang 9 bioactive ingredients, okay? So ang unang ingredient ay ang Phytoceltic Malus domestica, which is the apple stem cells from Switzerland. Ang mga benefits nito ay anti-aging effects. It combats biological aging, anti-wrinkle effects, may healing properties dahil dami siyang probiotics, prebiotics, saka antibiotics. Saka rich din siya sa vitamin A, vitamin C, pectin fiber, and potassium. Saka it promotes cell regeneration, collagen production, increased synthesis, and repair damaged cells and tissues. Okay? So, ang next ingredient na ay ang Phytoceltic solar vitis. Okay, this is the grape stem cells. Ang origin nito ay France. Ano naman ang functions nito? It is extremely high in anthocyanin. It has more than the vitamin A, C, and E. It is rich in collagen for skin elasticity against UV radiation, anti-wrinkles effect. It fights aging. And the next one is bilberry. Bilberry is recommended for cancer patients, especially breast cancer. Okay. It protects liver damage, improves blood and peripheral tissues, protects against kidney failures, skin problems, lowers blood cholesterol, eye disorders, and urinary infections. Ang next ay blackcurrant. I-recommended din ito sa cancer patients, especially breast cancer. It regulates blood flow, strengthens immune system, boosts kidney health. It is good for type 1 and 2 diabetes, suits the stomach and aids digestion, protects your brain, joints, and muscles damage. Okay, the next ingredient is glycine. Ito yung cantaloupe extract. Okay, ano naman ang ito para sa immune health? Glycine supplementation can help support the immune system and downregulate oxidative stress. Glycine helps promote healthy levels of our antioxidant defense system. Okay, next ingredient is camu berry, which is very rich in vitamin C. So it reduces the risk of infertility in men, prevents risk of cancer and diabetes, balances mood swings and mental anxiety. It has antiviral and antibacterial properties, helps to facilitate growth and protection of muscles, brightening effects to the skin, improves blood sugar level. Okay, the next one is the golden kiwi seeds. It promotes healthy skin and hair, support immunity, promote good digestion, support healthy weight loss, slow aging, and help prevent chronic diseases, benefits moms and babies. The next is the prickly pear cactus seeds. It promotes for treating diabetes, controls high cholesterol, help control obesity, help control hangover. It's also touted for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And the last ingredient is the sea buckthorn berries. It is rich in many nutrients. It protects your skin, promotes heart health, reduces blood sugar levels, boosts your immune system, support liver health, have anti-cancer effects, improve the appearance of hair, relieve symptoms of menopause, treat dry eyes, and improve digestion. Okay, so yun po yung 9 na ingredients. Okay? So, ang TC30 po ay may holistic approach, meaning it repairs damaged cells, restores sick cells, replaces dead cells, regenerate new cells, replicate good cells, rejuvenate aged cells, promotes vitality, boosts immunity, cleanses the blood. TC30 has a holistic approach to our body. It has a functional supplements. It is a stem cell enhancer, and it is a stem cell activator. So ano na ang mga benefits sa katawan natin ng stem cell therapy? Anong nangyayari? Usually, the first benefits, you don't feel hungry immediately. Hindi ka masyadong nagugutom pag nag-umpisa ka na mag-take ng STC30. Okay, so you are energetic, full of happy hormones, and may natural anti-aging ito for youthful looks, and it controls your blood sugar, lowers blood cholesterol, controls high blood pressure, and it is good for stroke patients. It works effectively on allergies, hypersensitivity, yung mga may goiter or hyper or hypothyroidism, yung may mga bone problems, rickets, yan, yung may mga gout and uric acid. It reduces stress also na kadalasan ang nagiging result ng brain aneurysm. Okay. It balances also the pH level of our body. It fights constipation, stomach ulcer, colon cancer, liver disorders, asthma, okay, sa lung cancer, sa pneumonia, sa skin diseases like psoriasis, okay, skin problems, any common skin problems, and also for HIV, okay, and also in infertility, nakakatulong din po ito na maging regulate yung hormones ng mga couples na matagal nang hindi nagkakaanak. Okay. And yung may mga hormonal imbalance, yung may gynecological disorders like vaginal infection, PMS, fibroids, ovarian cyst, PCOS, menstrual bleeding, ayan, yung prostate enlargement, and cancer prevention and management, and marami pang iba, over 135 diseases controlled. Kasama na rin po dyan yung renal failure, Alzheimer, Parkinson's, yan, mga migraines, rheumatism, at marami pa pong iba. Okay? So, ito ilang testimonies. Ito, 7-year-old na bata na may eczema, nawala in 3 days with this TC30. Okay. 1 month na po siyang pabalik-balik. Dito siya sa Dubai. 1 month lang pabalik-balik sa hospital. Iba't ibang cream na ilinagay ng doktor. Yung lola niya ay kaibigan ko at member, nagtitake din ng STC30 dahil sa kanyang hypertension. So naisipan niya ipatake din yung apo niya, ano. So binudburan lang niya ng 1/4 sachet every day for 3 days. And after 3 days, nawala na po yung eczema ng baby. Okay. So ito naman po, HIV positive. Okay, HIV or AIDS. Okay, nakita natin sa picture yung before, yung may mga skin lesions niya dahil sa HIV. Ngayon po ay HIV negative na siya. Undetectable level na po yung kanyang HIV dahil lang po sa TC30. So kung yung HIV napagaling ng stem cell therapy ng TC30, ano pa kaya yung mga ibang ailments, diseases na common, ano? So, pakinggan natin po itong isang testimony.
So, may mga time talaga na so, yun, ina-account. So, papunta na ako sa ito. Sabi ko, kailangan bumalik at makabalik kayo. So, pagkatapos nun, dito na ako, hindi ko akalain na mami po ako sa life at may nag-introduce sa akin. At sabi niya, yung hypertension mo, yung diabetes mo, yung kidney mo, at saka yung puso mo, ay matutulungan ng super life plan. So, yun. Tapos, by sa akin ni Costos, mag-take ka ng 3 times kasi medyo kailangan mo na siya. So ngayon, nung sinubukan ko yun, 1 box ako, hindi ko akalain na may trouble na nangyari. So, yun na yun. Siguro kung hindi ako mag-take nung STC30 na 1 box na yun, wala na ako. Kasi matindi yung nangyari sa akin. Kasi, narinig. As in talagang wala. Patay na yung kabilang ko. So yun. So nung inatake ako, nasa direksyon na ng hospital ng Dubai, so hindi siya nag-uulog kasi kailangan ng-register o gano'n. Nilipat ako sa National Hospital. So doon na. Ngayon, naging 3 days lang ako doon. So nung 3 days na yun, maraming mga na-observe sila na itry ko daw na subukan na maglakad. Kasi nakikita nila na strong daw ako, hindi naman ako talagang totally, So, nag-ano ako, mga first day ng ata, o first day, dumating yung kapatid ko, may dala na siya ganun. So, kahit inano nila ako, kahit ginagawa injection dito, lahat, nag-take pa rin ako. So, yun na yung picture ko na kung wala din yan, siguro abutin ako ng 1 or siguro abutin pa ako ng 1. So, malaki po yung sa akin yan. So, maraming salamat po with God, talagang ginaguide ako na mamit ko itong product na to. So, malaking salamat. Hanggang ngayon, maintenance ko siya. So, wala na yung maintenance ko, lahat na kaya ko. So, bakit po, sana, tuloy-tuloy na talaga siya kapag galing ko. So, ito, healthy ako, balik ganda. Dati kasi, ang problema ko kasi kaya ina-adapt ako, hindi ako nang matutog. Kasi yung insomnia ko, sa daming iniisip, lahat-lahat. Pero nung nag-take ako ng Super Life, ang ganda ng tulog ko. Bago ko matulog, nag-take ko. So, talagang hindi na kailangan ng vitamins o whatever kasi nandito na siya lahat. So, hindi kasi ako basta-basta naniniwala. Pero nung nasubukan ko to, ito na yon. So, bumabalik na yung, alam yung sinasabi nila kasi mula nung November, meron akong dagdag pa pala. So, ang babae ko, mula nung November hanggang March, honestly, meron akong hormonal imbalance. So, ang hormonal imbalance kasi 44 ako. Hindi ko So, ngayon, siguro, marami nang nag-isip na, marami na akong nag-isip na, ano to, baka mauusan ako ng dugo. Kasi, ang hormonal imbalance, hindi yan tumipigil. So, marami ng gamot, pero ganun pa rin siya eh. Nung nagsimula na ako nito, medyo tumandahan-dahan na siyang nag-relate hanggang sa nawala na siya. Wow! At nung nawala na siya, nagbalik na yung normalize at bumalik yung fertility ko.
Eh, baka talaga Stacy 30. Yeah!
Hindi ako naniniwala noong una, pero nung nasubukan ko at nangyari sa akin, ngayon wala na akong ibang pinipigirapan. Ito lang.
Yeah!
So, thank you Lord, kasi ang dahil dito, yapi na ako at balik sa dati, ang feeling ko, mas younger ako than before.
Okay, ito naman pong susunod na testimony ay sa 17-year-old na dalagita na ilang months nang nasa hospital, confined sa hospital dahil sa chronic kidney failure. Ngayon, 2 weeks lang siyang nag-take ng STC-30 ay gumanda na po yung kanyang pakiramdam kaya nakapag-celebrate na siya ng kanyang 18th birthday. Okay, pakinggan po natin yung kanyang testimony.
Everyone, my name is Rachel Sisbupat and I'm 18 years old. I currently living here in Don Carlos, Bukidnon, and I have a lovable family. When I was 17, I was diagnosed with glomerulonephritis. If everyone doesn't know what is glomerulonephritis, it is a disease that your protein in your body will go out to your urine. My filter in my kidney are damaged. They have what they call gas. I don't know what's the English of that thing. So it is also known chronic kidney disease. A disease that can't be cured because the doctor doesn't find a medicine for that. So you just need to change your lifestyle and drink the maintenance that the doctor gave to you to lessen the symptoms. But they don't have the cure for the kidney talaga. Wala pa silang mabibigay na gamot para sa kidney. They just give me maintenance for the other organs para hindi lumala yung sakit ko. If you have kidney disease, all your body organs will be affected too. Digestive system, respiratory system, and other organs. And one time, when my tummy gets bigger, I get to vomit, nanghihina talaga ako, hindi ko talaga siya kaya. So, nagpa-check up kami, tapos ang sabi ng doktor is, ang gallbladder ko ay namamaga. Binigyan ako ng medicine to shrink it. So, hindi na siya magmamaga like that. So, life with CKD wasn't easy at all because I suffer a lot and I've been admitted 9 times. Oh my God. 9 times. And I've been fighting for my life 3 times. It is a part of a life that you call that 50-50, that the doctor will say you are going to ICU and they will find a way to dugtong your life. So, my digestive system can't function well. Sometimes I can manipulate the pain in my tummy, and my respiratory system also are not functioning well too because when
Okay po, yan ang kanyang testimony. And ito po, last na testimony na pakinggan po natin.
I was diabetic since 20 years ago. Candidate na po ako for dialysis. Lagi mataas ang BP, mahina ang katawan, at nagpapalpitate po ang heart ko, hirap pa ako huminga. Sa lahat, malabo po ang matahan. Sobra po ang dinadanas kong hirap. Nagkataon naman po si Madam Bigbig, since 10 years ago, lagi na kami magkasama kung meron kami makitang produkto para maibsan lang po yung nararamdaman. Mag-intake. That time, December 2020, pumunta sa bahay, may idalang dalawang sachet. Yung dalawang sachet na yun, iniwan sa bahay. I-take ko raw. Since wala na akong tiwala, dahil di man akong bagal nandun pa rin. Pataas pa rin ang sugar. High blood pa rin. Mahina ang katawan. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Pero dahil sa pakiusap niya na, i-take mo. Nga po yung testimony, yung coach natin sa HIV nga, gumaling, ikaw pa. So, trinay ko. After nung dalawang sachet, lumiwanag yung mata ko, tapos lumakas ang katawan ko. Higit doon, nakalakad po ako kasi mahina talaga ako ng kausap ko. Since then, dire-diretso ako nag-take. Nag-member muna po ako ng 2 box. Pumili ako. Ininom ko ng 1 buwan. Di ba po dapat 3 beses? Ako po kasi ay medyo, alam nyo na, kulang-kulang din ang budget. 1 beses na, 1 araw. After ko naubos sa 1 buwan, kasi ang follow-up check-up ko po every 3 months kay Dr. Christian Gopo. Pagbalik ko po doon, yung napakataas ko pong creatinine, nag-back to normal. Back to normal, nagulat ang doktora. Yung sugar ko, hindi naman po yung sobrang baba, pero bumaba. And then, alam niyo po ang diabetic, may mini-maintain niya na HbA1c, which is ang normal ay 6%. Ako ay 18%. Yung 18% na yun, wala na talaga akong pag-asang bumaba pa. Nagtuturong ako ng insulin. Ang dami kong gamot. Nakakasawa na. Pero salamat kay nahiga nga po ako. Salamat po kay Madam. Ang HbA1c ko, 8%. Normal ang BP. BP ko, normal. Kasi wala po ako dito ngayon kung ako ay may nararamdaman. Medyo kinakabahan lang po. Kasi hindi ako sanay magsalita sa harapan ng maraming tao na ibibilad ko ang sakit ko. Which is, sa tulong po ng STC-30, malakas ako, malinaw ang mata ko, nakakalakad ako. Higit sa lahat, hindi po ako na-dialysis. So, yan po ang aking kwento. Sana po i-try mo mag-take. Kung kayo may mga kilala, magulang, kapatid, ang ulang-ulang tinitira ng diabetes ay kidney. So, i-try nyo po. Gumamit kayo kahit isang buwan. Yan po ang kwento ko. Salamat po.
Okay, marami pa pong mga testimonies, kaya lang hanggang doon na lang muna. Kung kailangan nyo pa ng testimonies sa specific health issues ninyo, paki-message lang po yung taong nag-send sa inyo nitong video na ito. Okay po, para mapadalhan namin kayo ng pang mga testimonies. Okay po, i-share ko lang po itong mga last slides. Napaalala lang po, a good health is the best wealth. Okay? Your health is an investment, not an expense. Although it will become an expense if you don't take time to invest in it. Okay? Dito po sa Super Life, we care about your health. Okay po, sinishare lang po namin ito. Alam po namin na maraming nangangailangan ng STC-30, maraming kami matutulungan. So, yun po ang aming mission and passion na i-share ang STC-30. Okay po, para po lahat tayo po ay maging healthy. Okay po, marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Life is super. Thank you po.